Welcome to my channel, and today we are diving straight into one of the most exciting lightweight supersport machines coming in. 26, the Yamaha R125, a 125cc bike, built for riders who crave style, precision, and performance in a compact package. The R series has always been known for aggressive design and track-inspired engineering, and the 2026 YZF-R125 continues that legacy with even sharper aerodynamics, improved handling, and a more refined riding experience. The first thing you notice about the 2026 YZF-R125 is its stunning design. Yamaha has given it the full RDNA treatment, taking inspiration from its bigger brothers like the 7 and R1. The bike features a sleek front fascia with a central air intake, LED projector headlamps, and angular fairings that not only look premium but also enhance airflow for better high-speed stability. Every line on this bike is designed with purpose, giving it the appearance of a true supersport, even though it's a 125cc machine. Now let's talk about the engine. Under the fairing sits a 125cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for efficiency and responsiveness. Yamaha has refined the variable valve actuation system, making the power delivery smoother across the entire RPM range. The bike produces strong, low-end torque for city rides and impressive top-end performance for highway moments. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight thrill, this engine feels lively, refined, and very fun. Moving to the chassis, Yamaha has upgraded the frame to offer even better cornering precision. The bike comes with an aluminum swing arm, USD front forks, and a monoshock at the rear, giving riders exceptional control. The 2026 model focuses heavily on balance and agility, making it perfect for twisty roads, track days, or daily commuting. The braking system includes a 292 front disc and a 230mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS for confident stopping in all conditions. The cockpit is another highlight. The bike features a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, message notifications, and bike data monitoring. Yamaha has clearly designed this bike for modern riders who want a connected riding experience without compromising simplicity. Comfort is also improved for 2026. The riding posture remains sporty, but the seat padding, handlebar angle, and foot peg positioning have been adjusted to reduce fatigue on longer rides. Even though the bike looks aggressive, Yamaha has managed to maintain everyday usability, making it ideal for college students, city riders, or anyone wanting a stylish yet practical motorcycle. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha YZF-R125 is more than just a 125cc bike. It's a statement. It's designed for young riders who want big bike looks, advanced technology, and unmatched handling in a lightweight package. Yamaha has once again proven that performance is not just about engine size, it's about smart